Hey guys, just wanted to make this quick video showing you how many weights will actually fit on this Powerline cable crossover machine. By the way, if you haven't seen it yet, I did a whole assembly video on how to assemble this entire cable crossover machine. It's on my channel, check it out. But this is a question I was wondering when I purchased it, is exactly how much weight can you fit on it? So right here I've got a Yes4All weight set. These are all 5-pound weights, standard size. So I'm going to see how many of these weights will fit on one side of the machine. So I was able to fit 10 of these 5-pound weights on there, but technically you can fit 11 on there with like no room left over. But I'll just call it 10. So you can do 10 on this side, 10 on this side, and then 10 on this side, and 10 on this side. So you could do 50 pounds on each side. So that's 100 pounds total on each side of the cable crossover machine. So that's actually more than I was expecting, because looking at the bar, it really doesn't look like it would hold that many. But yeah, so I'm happy with that. So just wanted to make this video just in case anybody was wondering. I was wondering this and nobody had a video on it. Couldn't find any info about how many weights would fit on it, so I hope this answered your question. Check out my assembly video of the cable crossover machine and see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.